Alright, welcome to the another car POV review about the car. We've got 2017 Audi A4, and this is ultra luxury package. It's got a dynamic 18-inch rims on it. It's 2.0 turbo and it's ultra. It does have the black beautiful dynamic rims with the Pirelli tires on it. So I'm gonna walk around this car and then drive it down the road to see how it feels. Before we do that, I'm gonna show you all around. This is the trunk size. It's a decent size. It does have the backup camera. It does have a sunroof. So take a look. The automatic. And back seat it's a decent size. It's not too small or anything like that. And I do have the keys over here. Here's the key. We unlock it. Put on my pocket right now. There you go. Oops. There you go. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. The door is... the whole car is really premium vehicles. So... I'm gonna start the vehicle. Put the seat belt on. And the first thing that you notice about this car is got a very decent size infotainment system, and I do love the way how it looks. And then shape knob has been renewed, and it used to be a little smaller, and everything feels really premium, and it's high tech. Okay, it's not that hot outside, so AC is off. Okay, and it's got a sunroof on it. Sunroof works. It's great. Okay. And this vehicle has a navigation, but it's not support on the system. You can always add it from manufacturer. It does have the heated seat as well. And if you see this one, here's a parking. Hit the brake. There's a reverse. Neutral, drive, and you can always switch to the sport. Downshift, upshift. Okay, and I'm trying to find drive mode select over here. Click on it. Auto, dynamic, individual, comfort, and we're gonna go ahead and drive with the auto right now. It feels super smooth and super light. Okay. By the way, it's got about 190 horsepower on this vehicle. It's really should be really good on the gas. And it's not really a sporty car or anything like that, but it gets you A to B quick. Alright. Small road. The steering wheels feel so light and amazing. Okay, now we're gonna select to different mode. We are on the auto, not comfort. Let's try it on the dynamic, so I can actually feel the performance difference. And if you wander these roads, those are in Mount Juliet, Tennessee area. It's surprisingly quick for 4-cylinder 2-line. It's got a turbo engine in there. Like I said, 190 horsepower. It's not really exciting horsepower, but it does pretty good job. What an amazing car this is. So I don't think we have a full tank right now. Maybe 80%, I believe. But it gets you 370 miles. This is amazing. It's actually much better than my old car, Toyota Camry. This car handles really good actually. And I gotta be really careful on this road because this is Mount Juliet. It's a pretty strict area. At the same time, I do not want to get a ticket. Alright, let's go. Right. Cops around here, so we're driving 70 miles an hour and 45. But I can tell you this ride is really smooth, really nice. I wish it has a little bit more horsepower. I would say about the 230, maybe 240, just like a BMW 2 Series that I drove the other day. 228. I do enjoy this 2 Series. Of course, this one is probably more heavier than the 2 Series because it's a 4-door and then got a decent headroom and leg room on the back seat. So we're gonna a little slow down right now, and I wanted to drive it on the comfort mode as well to see. Here we go. So we are in the comfort mode right now. Okay, looks like we're on the traffic time right now. Gonna fix my camera a little bit better. Alright, we are back to dealership. So I hope you guys enjoy this POV video about this 2017 Audi A4. If you did, thumbs up and consider to subscribe. Thank you.